Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. I am loving my all-natural citric acid by Root Circle. Let me tell you why. Where can you find lemons, limes, oranges, or grapefruits all in one scoop? Citric acid. I have turned to making my own cleaning products out of desire to improve my footprint in life and my family's overall health. Just a half a cup of citric acid in my toilet bowl cleaning bombs can make a huge batch for a month. Make sure they're labeled because they look like small bath bombs. I'm just saying. But for personal relaxation and gift giving, I enjoy using Root Circle citric acid to my bath bombs. I am amazed at the many uses I can utilize this natural citric acid. Even adding a flavor to your recipes will go a long way. So if you would like to make your own home cleaning products that are all natural, or you want to take a soak in a nice warm bath with your homemade bath bombs, then try this citric acid by Root Circle. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.